video, I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to create your new webinar registration for Demio scheduled webinars. BotSparks supports both scheduled and automated, but in this video specifically, we'll talk about building the scheduled webinars campaigns. So easy enough. Once you've connected your Demio, you can go ahead and click that plus sign and create a new Demio registration. And from there, it's fairly simple. Select a name that you will be able to easily identify this. We've got scheduled here, automatically set. Then we pull in the webinars that are available from Demio under the scheduled type. And then we just need to select that ManyChat email field. So the field in which you're stored that email in. Now, if you're doing this, so then we just click create and save, and then we've got success. Now we're going to go ahead and we've got that one that we just set up right here. We'll go ahead and go over to setup, and we've got this nice little code that we can copy, this link that we can copy right here, and we're easily ready to go. Now, if you haven't already installed the ManyChat template for BotSparks, we have many flow templates available for you to simplify and show you how to get set up on this easily. In this, we've got a simple 1-2 step. Let's get their email, then automatically continue. Then we'll get them to register for the webinar. Now, with that, to get them to register for the webinar, we use an action block and an external request. So with that, we can set up that API call to BotSparks to then register that user. So you just want to take that link that you were given in the setup and paste it here in the request URL, and then make sure that your request type is set to post, and then go down to the headers. We need that authorization and it needs to have the bearer and then your BotSparks API key. Now we use a custom bot field to pull that in, but that's up to you if you want to go ahead and enter that every time. But we find using it in the bot field works well. So also make sure you've got the other key as accept, and then application JSON. This is just going to prevent any sort of weird stuff popping back at you if you were to have an error, and make sure that you can actually see the errors when you get an error. Okay, so with the request body, we've made it easy for you to just add this full subscriber data, and ManyChat makes it easy so that we know where to get all that data. So all you have to do is click test request. You'll see that I get a 500 server error because, well, I don't think this one is still in here. I'll copy that, then paste that, and then we test request. And there we go. Now we get a 200 OK. You'll see that we return the join link. And then for response mapping, it's really simple. Join_link, and then to that field that you want to save it to. And then from there, you save it, publish, preview, test all that. And now your webinar registrations are happening.